Politishian TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155. Ringkat bakanet foodish, ordar mapi, ninwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Ke MLA bala sya sospon jong keseng kongres ke Dr. Mizel Amprin Lingdo kalau ong bagi politician kim dei satiaban pelong isu ye Jingjia paper ki bala dabja po ke Jylla Meghalaya haki kindiat sngi bat ki kindiat banai bala leñno hak jinga kran bigalat patai kubur ke Dr. Amprin Lingdo kalau ong bekum ki noyalam jong ke Jylla ki de bandan ke jingkit kli khamtam hak bai dei bak jingsha siat jong ke sangut ki briu nakasnong mukro haki pulet jong ke Jylla Assam hak step arpu artarik nai wiang arajar arpu ar Hakshnong Mukro, West Saiñpyrthei Hills District.
See, politicians of the state of Meghalaya should not indulge in politicizing unfortunate events that have occurred in the state of Meghalaya. It is incorrect. As leaders of the state, we must be responsible. We have to wait for the formal report that has already been called for. I do not conform to any political party attempting to take mileage from the loss of innocent lives. We will study the matter once the report has been made official, number one. Number two, as has already been discussed, any issue that arises in the state of Meghalaya because of a failure of any part of governance should be together and jointly shared by all political parties involved in the governance in the state of Meghalaya. We, the 5 suspended Congress MLAs, also are now part of the MDA. We cannot at any point of time isolate or insulate ourselves from responsible governance. So it depends on what the media is seeking us to clarify on. As far as the Mukro incident is concerned, we will await for the formal submission of the report and inquiry on the entire matter. It would be preemptive on our part to try and decipher what went wrong, what was the reason, who took the first move, why did it happen, and why was there usage of arms in that incident. We will not be able to respond to any query until and unless we have the entire matter before us.